welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing and delicious blackberry lemonade that I am sure you're going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this refreshing and delicious blackberry lemonade, these are my ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, lemon juice, of course, 2 cups of the blackberry, 1 cup of the simple syrup, water, and ice. This is everything you need to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. First things first, making our simple syrup. Very easy to prepare. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. We take it to the stove. We let it start boiling. When it's boiling and making those bubbles, we're going to turn it off. Let it sit until it comes to room temperature. When you make your simple syrup, you use less sugar. So let me tell you, this blackberry lemonade comes out delicious, refreshing, and why not enjoy a homemade lemonade instead of having those soft drinks that have too much sugar when you can enjoy an amazing and refreshing homemade lemonade. Well, to this, I added 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 cups of the blackberry. They are nice and sweet, and I'm just going to smash them just like this. Take your time when you're smashing them. You really want those little pieces of the blackberry throughout your lemonade. So take your time, smash it really good. Do not put it in the blender. You really want those little pieces of the blackberry throughout your lemonade. So I love doing it this way, smashing it slowly, making sure that all those flavors are being released by the blackberry. Look at this. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to elevate the flavor of the blackberry and reduce the acidity of the lemon. And look at the color. This looks amazing. Let me tell you, here at home, we love refreshing ourselves with this amazing and delicious blackberry lemonade. Well, here it's nice and smashed. And of course, I am ready to add a little pinch of salt. And I'm ready to mix away. I'm going to mix it, incorporate it really good, and then I'm ready to start adding some ice to my pitcher and start adding some water. Look at this. I have my pitcher ready. I am going to add some ice. I'm going to be very generous. I'm going to reserve only 1 tablespoon of the blackberry mixture so I could add it into my glass. And here I'm just adding everything directly right on top of the ice. And now I am ready to add 1 cup of the lemon juice, 1 cup of the simple syrup we made at the beginning of the video, and of course 1 liter of water. This lemonade is really going to be delicious and refreshing. And with this hot weather, who doesn't want to enjoy a homemade lemonade? You have control of how much sugar you add and what you're going to sweeten it with. You could sweeten it with fruit monk. You could add agave. You decide. But let me tell you, enjoy it and refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this amazing lemonade, like, subscribe, and share. And now I am ready for the presentation. I am ready to prepare my glass of my blackberry lemonade. This looks amazing and the color just perfect. 1 tablespoon of the blackberry mixture and pouring in my lemonade. My friends, I am completely done with this blackberry lemonade. Like I always say, when you make it at home, it comes out perfect. Look at this. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm. So sweet. Amazing. Oh my gosh. The flavor of the blackberry, just delicious. Refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing and refreshing blackberry lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.